I just purchased a Dominator exhaust for my f650GS BMW 2002 model. Incredible company. I ordered it direct from Poland. It was delivered to Western Australia in only about a week, which is crazy considering all the COVID restrictions at the moment. I've already unwrapped it, so I'll just show you what's in the box. There's a bit of extra stainless steel extension and the exhaust. The exhaust looks really well made. As you can see here, it's really nicely finished off. Got the Dominator on there. You can see straight through there. This one's got a 7 dB cut on it, so that can be taken in or out. On the end here, you can see it fitted in there. So I'm just going to see what it sounds like. Take the old exhaust off, fit this one. All the brackets are here. Everything I need to do the job. Should only be about half an hour to do the job. So I'll give you a listen to what it sounds like now and then what it sounds like with the exhaust put on it. Just getting ready to change the exhaust over. Just bought a Dominator exhaust. So I'm just going to start the bike and give you a listen to what it sounds like now. Here from this side. A bit like a that's from about this distance away. Sounds between a cross between a sewing machine and a chaff cutter. See how it sounds like when we put the new Dominator exhaust on. We'll only have a single exhaust just on one side. Well, I've just fitted the Dominator exhaust onto the BMW 650. As you can see in here, I had to make up a bit of a bolt idea in order to make that fit properly. I just used a stainless bolt and it seemed to have fitted up quite neatly. I'm going to make a storage container on the other side, so I'll fire it up and let's see what she sounds like. It's quite loud. I've actually got the 7 dB restrictor in it to cut the noise down a bit, so I don't know what it'd be like if you didn't have that, because it's quite loud, but I'll see how it performed. I've put a K&N air filter in it as well, and new plugs, so it should really get up and go. Well, I hope this helped you all in your fitting of it. Dominator exhausts are brilliant. Only took about a week to come from Poland to Australia, so that's pretty good. Not a bad place to come and try the bike out. See the new Dominator exhaust. It's looking good. All sitting up there. I'm still putting my racks on and everything like that. I've still got the restrictor in it, but I can take that out.